Hello. I have three exciting things to share with you today. First of all, we've unlocked a new level of connectivity to the website, to the design, and you can see that there's way more comments than usually when you're running a review. So it took actually months to get this to attach this level of depth. And before, we were able to map the items in there, but there were some inconsistencies when it comes to the different sections and the ability to flag every single element within it. So kudos to the team for all of the infrastructure work that have been done in the background for a while to make this thing happen. That's number one, very exciting. So now that we have so many comments on the page, how do we understand which ones we should tackle when? And so we brought in the prioritization feature that we already have within regular tasks, when you click on a page and leave a comment right there, and brought that feature over to the AI. So the AI now automatically prioritizes items for you so that you can know that you can probably start from the red ones, like this, make the primary CTA more prominent and isolated. This is in order for us to increase conversion rate in this example, and less on the check the line breaks, avoiding the orphans and things like this on large viewports. So we can skip this one and move over to more impactful items, maybe the oranges, maybe the reds, and so on. Now, also, most users are not aware that when the agents look at the work, they don't only look at this from your perspective, they also experience this as in tablet view and in mobile view. And so they see the projects and the recommendations across the board for every single page that you're looking into. Now, they were already given recommendations about things that were relevant for mobile or tablet, but sometimes it was hard to distinguish which ones is about which element. And so we've added the little component here that mentions where this request was spotted, and so that you have that clarity across the board. That's it. 3 awesome releases since the past week, and there's still a lot more to come. So stick around if you want to join our community. Join the Atarim Labs inside Discord, atarim.io/Discord. And if you're already in here, I would love to hear your opinion about these new features. We're going to be pushing this out this week. And so, any feedback is very much appreciated. Thank you very much, and speak to you soon.